guys, welcome back again. Hope you're doing well. In case you're watching my video for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Cynthia, and to my return subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this short dress. It's a sleeveless dress with a ruffle at the lower part. I have 2 yards of crepe fabric here. We'll go ahead and fold our fabric. I'll be cutting out the front and the back together. This is the front and this is the back. They are both folded into 2. So I just leave a 1/4 of an inch here. This is the back side. I'll just make a back slit. I'm not adding zip to the dress because the fabric is very stretchy. Alright, let's move on. I will go ahead and place the measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches. Divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'll mark 8 inches here. I'll mark 3 inches for the neck width. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth and 3 inches for the front depth. I will go ahead and connect it. This is the back neckline and this is the front neckline. We go to the shoulder here, mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. And connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. Right from the shoulder slope, I will impute the armhole measurement. So the armhole measurement is 8.5 inches. To get your armhole measurement, you will divide your bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. The one I'm working with is 8.5 inches. I will subtract ½ inch from 8.5 inches because it's a sleeveless dress. I don't want this side to be open, so I will just minus ½ inch. I marked 8 inches here. I'll still mark 8 inches right on the armhole here. I will connect it up. I'll make it. So this is the chest line. I will divide the armhole measurement by 2. So I have 4 inches here. I'll place a 1/4 of the bust measurement here. The bust measurement is 42 divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. I'm not adding sewing allowance to this dress because it's very stretchy. So I mark 10.5 inches there. And connect it like so. I'll make it in a way that the armhole is a little bit deep inside. And the shoulder that will be remaining will be 3 inches. So we have just small shoulder here. I'll mark 3 inches here. So I'll mark 3 inches here. I want it to be 2 inches after stitching it. I'll use ½ inch to hem it and use ½ inch to hem it on this side. So I'll be left with 2 inches after stitching it. That's how I want it. Then from here, I will just go inside a little bit deep. If you can see, it's very deep inside. Mark it like so. Let me just measure how many inches. I have to come inside from here by 2 inches. This is the midpoint. You come inside by 2 inches right from that midpoint. You connect it right from this shoulder 3 inches. Take it deep inside and bring it down here. So this is the original armhole. We have to go inside by 2 inches and cut this like this because I want the remaining shoulder to be 2 inches after stitching it. This side is a little bit deep inside. So I will measure from the shoulder to the waistline. 17.5 inches is from shoulder to waist. I'll add ½ inch for sewing allowance because I'll be joining it here. That's 18 inches. From waist to hip is 9 inches. This is the hip measurement. The dress is more beautiful when it's short. The dress full length is 38 inches. I'll be adding 4 inches for foot to the lower part. I'll minus 4 inches from 38 inches. 38 minus 4 is 34 inches. So I'll be making use of 34 inches for this and I'll add extra 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 35 inches for the upper part. So the upper part is 35 inches plus sewing allowance. The lower part is 4 inches. I will place a quarter of the waist and the hip measurement. A quarter of the waist measurement is 8.5 inches. I will just mark it like that. A quarter of the hip measurement is 11.5 inches. So we go ahead and I'll connect it. I'll connect it right from the chest to the waistline. From the waist, I'll bring it to the hip. So from the hip, I'll bring it down to the length of the dress. I will cut it out. I will cut the front neckline. I will split the back side open. I will hem the neckline and the armhole and stitch the side here together. So I will leave about 5 inches open here. This is the upper part. I will leave about 5 inches open. Stitch out the remaining part. This is the lower part. I'll leave 2 inches open because I'll be adding the ruffles to the side. I'll add the ruffles before I close this side. I will still hem the front neckline and the armhole. So guys, I'm done hemming the neckline, the armhole. This is the back. I stitch up the back, the lower part. I didn't leave it open again. I stitch it all through. So I left about 5 inches open here so that the dress can go through the head easily. After stitching the neckline, I fold it twice and then stitch it round. This is the front. I also hem the neckline and the armhole. Next is for us to cut out the ruffles. The ruffle is 4 inches. I will add extra 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. I will use ½ inch to join it to the upper part and use 1 inch to hem the lower part. So the length is 5.5 inches plus sewing allowance. So to get the wideness, I will measure here. I have 22 inches here. Because I'm making a gather, I will times this 22 inches by 2.5 inches. 22 times 2.5 inches is 55 inches. This is 55 inches. I will go ahead and join them together. So I will lay them against each other, right side facing right side. I will gather it as I stitch. I will measure this 55 inches fit in this lower part here. So I will use ½ inch to join them together. I will repeat the same thing for the back side. So guys, I'm done attaching the ruffles. This is the front. I will join the front and the back together. I will lay them against each other, right side facing right side. Make sure they are aligned. You match the shoulders, match the armhole, the ruffle side. Make sure they are aligned. You match them up together. And match this side also. I will use ½ inch to join the shoulders and use 1 inch to join the side. I will stitch it right from the armpits here all the way to the length of the dress. I will do the same thing for the side. I will use 1 inch to stitch here. Because the fabric is stretchy, I didn't add sewing allowance. So I will use 1 inch to stitch this side and use 1 inch to stitch this side. Use ½ inch for the shoulders. So guys, this is the finished look of the dress. I've joined both sides. This is the front. This is the back. I will add a pressing button here. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. Like, share this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.